Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Wotzit Painting. I'm absolutely delighted that you've stopped by. My name's Dan and this channel is all about things miniature painting. If you're curious about miniature painting and anything to do with Warhammer, you're definitely in the right place. I'll be posting new videos as often as I can and I can't wait to share the journey with you. On this channel you can expect to see some completed project walkthroughs, tutorials including basic kit bashes, reviews, challenges, behind the scenes glimpses of when it goes wrong, because it will, and whether you're here to learn, relax, or just have a bit of fun, there's going to be something for everyone. I'd love to build a community here, so be sure to drop a comment and let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Your feedback means the world and it lets me know what people want to see. Thanks again for stopping by. Let's make this channel a brilliant place to share some ideas and have a laugh. I'll see you in the next video. Before I go, don't forget to give the video a like if you like it, subscribe if you want to see more, and join the conversation below. Angron was completed as a commission. It included some unique takes on the existing model, including true metallic metal using Vallejo air paints, Citadel paints, and washes to produce a tarnished brass armour. My favourite Citadel paint, Mournfang brown, works really well for shades and blending and mixing with base layers of metallics to create interesting shades in gold. I've been working on creating new finishes using metallics and Citadel Contrast paints to add depth and differences in material. It helps to create contrast not only in colour but materials and defines the difference between cloth and a pauldron, for example. The Blood Angels on the base are a great example of this. Blood Angels contrast paint is sprayed over a mixture of gold Vallejo air paints. Shadows and darker spots are created with underpainting before the contrast is applied. There's a link in the description to the paint sets I use regularly. The Vallejo paint in this set goes on really well via airbrush and are equally great with a brush and are easily able to create really well blended highlights. You may already have some of the paints, so check out the paint numbers on the image provided. I use a mixture of manufacturers' paints, so don't be afraid to cross the streams. I've included some links to the paints on Amazon. Hopefully, I might get an affiliate link in the future. If you have a local independent hobby shop, however, I do suggest supporting them and go there first. We'll be exploring the techniques I've discussed in a future video as we take on my version of Gabriel Angelos, so keep an eye out for that. If you find yourself with some time, go and have a look at my Instagram. There's a link in the description to see some of the interesting armour finishes on a recent commission I've done for an Alpha Legion kill team. Once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.